We all know that Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce websites. It's huge. It's probably the marketplace everyone thinks of when they're looking to buy something, be that books, clothing, DVDs, music or gadgets. It also offers many different ways to make money, some of which we'll be talking about during this video. So let's get going. Sign up for Amazon Handmade. Similar to Etsy, Amazon Handmade lets artisans sell their own handcrafted goods online. To become an Amazon Handmade seller, you need to complete an application form, which lets you describe the nature of your work and the production process. Handmade is great for professional craft makers and those aspiring artisans looking to reach Amazon's large customer base. Those approved after you've submitted your application will receive a custom URL to go along with their artisan profile, making it easy for customers to find your shop. Amazon doesn't charge anything for this program and to list your products. You'll need to create a professional selling account that usually costs $39.99 a month, but for handmade sellers this fee is waived. The only fee you'll need to pay is a 15% referral fee for your total sales price. Merch on Amazon. If you love to design, you may be able to generate a decent income by selling t-shirts and other similar things through Merch by Amazon. The platform allows you to sell your artwork on Amazon products at no cost to you. You simply need to create an account via the Merch by Amazon webpage, upload your design and set a price, choose a t-shirt colour and write a description. Once you've done all that, your t-shirt will go live on the Amazon marketplace. A benefit of using Merch by Amazon is that Amazon takes the responsibility of packaging, shipping, printing and providing support to the customer. As for the income, the company will pay you a royalty on every design sold. The payout will depend on the product's cost and the tax, as well as Amazon's expenses for the service they provide. Earn through KDP. Another easy way to make money on Amazon is to publish your own digital books on their platform. We love KDP at Business with Joe and have several books selling on the platform. You can get up to 70% royalties on the overall sales. Also, you can print hard copies of your books through Amazon Create Space services. The only barrier to making money with Amazon KDP is that you have to publish interesting books in a large volume. Although it's possible to earn with a couple of bestsellers, volume is the key to success in the publishing game. Become an Amazon affiliate. A simple way to make money on Amazon is to become an affiliate. If you run a blog, website, or even if you have a small community, you have an audience. By recommending interesting and high quality products, obviously all found on Amazon, to your audience, you can earn a referral fee for your efforts. Depending on the item, you can get anywhere from 4 to 10% of the product's price when somebody makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Amazon lets you become an affiliate for just about anything on the platform. If you write an in-depth review about books, for instance, you can include referral links for the title in books category on the Amazon marketplace. Once you get approved, you can select from millions of items to refer you to your customers. Success, however, will depend on your ability to create great content, as well as how much value you're providing to your subscribers and readers. Sell via Amazon FBA. If you want to make money on Amazon without having to worry about customer support, packaging, shipping, then sign up for an Amazon FBA account. With FBA, you have Amazon care for your stock and deliver it to your customers. All you have to do is send your items to one of Amazon's fulfillment centers. The advantages of FBA is that customers can't tell the difference between shopping directly with Amazon and purchasing from an FBA seller. Best to sell items that you are passionate about. You also want to make sure there's enough demand for the products you intend to sell. Use an Amazon keyword research tool to get an idea of what products are in high demand. Also take note of Amazon bestsellers and Amazon wish for list, as they help identify what people want. As an FBA seller, you are only charged per unit fee, which depends on the weight and the size of your item. There's no fee for packaging, shipping and handling to ship your items. Other than that, there's a storage fee that needs to be paid since your products are being kept in the Amazon fulfillment center. A monthly fee is charged from sellers who have an inventory in a fulfillment center in the month's end. Complete tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk program works as a gateway for outsourcing tasks. Once you become part of the Turk's army of remote workers, you can complete tasks like content validation, content moderation, and survey participation to make money on Amazon. Essentially, Mechanical Turk was the byproduct of Amazon's effort to cut down time-consuming tasks into smaller gigs. Although the program doesn't pay much for complete tasks, most of them can be done quickly. Also, it gives you the flexibility to work at your own pace. Buy online, sell on Amazon. This method involves buying a product at a cheaper discounted price and then reselling these products on Amazon for a profit. Many people make money on Amazon by avoiding the cost of importing products from foreign countries. You'll see them heading directly into stores and loading up on products they intend to mark up and then sell. As a result, many of them spend a lot of time sifting through deals and clearance items at their local stores. To figure out what can sell via retail, the fee charged by Amazon and the rules for specific items, consider using the FBA Revenue Calculator. It's an app that lets you scan barcodes via your device and provides useful details such as the recommended price to charge for an item and the Amazon fees. Sell a professional service on Amazon. Do you know that Amazon also lets skilled individuals sell their services online? Whether you're a guitar teacher, a maths tutor, a carpenter, Amazon Services can put you in touch with people who require your help. The program charges no monthly subscription, advertising or startup fees. However, you need to give general liability insurance with a $1 billion cap per occurrence. This information needs to be provided when you register for Amazon Services. Another important thing is that the service providers need to pay a revenue share to Amazon. This depends on the nature of the service and the final service price. Create a private label brand. This one's the most profitable opportunities on Amazon. As a private label seller, you order a particular item from a manufacturer, you put your logo and branding on it, and then list it on Amazon Marketplace. The benefits of selling products under your own brand is that you have complete control over your listings. We hope this video has helped you find a way of selling things and making money on Amazon. Look out for a video every week here at Business with Joe. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.